Want to give potential buyers a virtual walkthrough before they even step inside? Let's unlock the power of Zillow floor plans and make your listings shine. First, head to Zillow.com and log into your Zillow account if you don't have one. Signing up is quick and easy. Just follow the prompts to create your profile. Next, find the listing you want to add or edit the floor plan for. Once you're on the listing page, look for the Edit button, usually located near the top right corner or in the listing management section. Scroll down in the Edit options until you find the floor plan section. It may be labeled similarly, like Add, Manage Floor Plan. Here, you'll typically have the options to upload an existing floor plan image or to create a new one using Zillow's floor plan tool. If you have a pre-made floor plan image, like a JPEG or PNG, click the Upload option. If you don't have a floor plan, select the option to create a new one. This will launch Zillow's floor plan creation tool, which guides you through the process of drawing the layout. Follow the prompts to outline the rooms, add dimensions, and label spaces. Once you're satisfied with your floor plan, save your changes, and voila! Your Zillow listing now features an engaging and informative floor plan, giving buyers a better understanding of the property's layout and boosting its appeal.